Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to export a Notion page. This process is quick and easy, so just follow along. Start by opening the specific page you wish to export. Once there, locate and click the three-dot menu icon found in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Export option. Next, pick your preferred file format for the export. You can then decide which databases and specific content to include in the file. Additionally, set your desired page layout and adjust the scale percentage as needed. After finalizing these settings, hit the Export button. Notion will process the file and prompt you to choose a save location. I'm saving mine to the Downloads folder and naming it Notion Page. Click Save to finish. You can now open your folder to confirm the file has been successfully exported. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide useful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.